All right, so Dovoh sent me another new laser, and they sent me the original few lasers, and I said, these are pretty cool, but do you have anything more heavy duty? And Dovoh said, we do. We actually do make a professional heavy duty laser level. And this is what they ended up sending me, the H3-360G. Now there's a couple design features they made on this to make the lasers more durable and able to withstand some drops and just normal everyday job site use. So let's unbox this and take a look at it. Quite the big box here from Dovoh, but I do like the packaging. This is very professional. Looks like, any DeWalt Milwaukee box out there. So definitely taking a step up in quality here. What do we have here? We got a nice hard case, actually. That's actually quite welcome to see. Not that I didn't like the other cases, but this just kind of looks more professional to me. Something you can throw in the back of a van or in the back of a truck, and this would actually hold up nicely. So let's pop this thing open. There's actually no zip ties or anything holding this thing closed, so that's interesting. All right, I like the foam padding on the inside here. That is pretty cool. We do actually have laser glasses, so it looks like we're dealing with a more serious laser level here. That is pretty cool. About the same size as the other levels that I've had as well. You can see, actually these feel actually pretty solid, actually. Like you could drop this on there and they'd probably be pretty fine. That is not bad. That thing's definitely like chunkier than the other Dovoh laser levels that I've checked out in the past. Definitely has some more heft to it as well too. You can definitely feel the better build quality right away. So currently in the lock position. All right, let's see what else is in the box here. I would assume all the usual stuff that we've had in the previous Dovoh laser levels. Of course, we've got a mounting bracket here. We have a USB adapter, which I love that they include these. A lot of things that charge using USB never include these, but they actually have these in the box. We have some batteries, which actually these are the same batteries that are in the other Dovoh laser packs as well too, so that's interesting. What do we have here? The charger, of course. A couple of little accessories in here. We've got the manual, like they have in all of the laser levels. And that is going to be about it. So let's get this thing charged up and we'll get this thing fired up here. All right, battery pack goes in the bottom here. And one thing I noticed right away from a difference is there's a little bit of a gasket here. There's that rubbery gasket here, so definitely designed to hold up against dust, water, the elements a lot better than the lower end models. Definitely kind of showing the attention to detail here as a much more professional grade laser. And one thing I noticed too, there's no remote with this one. It's kind of funny, all the other ones had nice remotes, but unfortunately this one does not have a remote. So let's check out how well this works here. It is noticeably brighter than the other ones that I've had. If you look at it right at my hand there, that is quite bright. I am wearing the safety glasses they gave me just in case in the box, but yeah, it is quite bright there. So you can see on my back wall on that red just how strong that laser beam is. Quite impressive there. All right, so overall looking at the new Dovoh H3-360G, this is definitely approaching professional grade, especially when it comes to overall durability. This thing comes with a nice hard case, has an excellent design. I do like how right here it's kind of designed, you can put your hand here, it's got a nice grip there. I do wish we kind of had a remote on this one. Unfortunately, some of the lower models have a nice remote. This one does not, unfortunately, but overall it's got a fantastic design. Looks like it's overall great made, great build quality, and definitely a recommend from me. I definitely like the look of it so far. I want to get using this on a couple job sites and see really how well it holds up. Maybe even do a couple drop tests on this as well too. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you think of it so far. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day, guys.